In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Android project to GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started on how to make your project available online for everyone to see. Uploading your project to GitHub is a fantastic way to apply version control to your work, ensuring that you can track changes and maintain a history of your project. Plus, it serves as a backup for your files in the cloud. It also allows you to share your work with others, which is a great way to get feedback and collaborate. Before we jump into it, you'll need to make sure you have a GitHub account. If you don't, you can easily create one on their website. Also, you should have the files for the project you want to upload prepared and ready to go. The first thing you want to do is create a new repository for your project. Having a new repository for each project is essential because it makes it much easier to manage your files over time. To do this, head over to the upper right corner of any GitHub page and look for a plus icon. Once you click that, you'll see an option for creating a new repository. In the repository name box, go ahead and type a name that represents your project, like My First Project. Next, you'll have the option to add a short description. Something like, "This is my first project on GitHub, works just fine." Now, you'll need to choose whether your repository will be public or private. If you want people to see your work, go for public. Also, be sure to select Add a README file. This will be important as we move forward, and you can edit it later. Once you have all that filled out, just click the Create Repository button. Easy enough, right? Now that your repository is created, it's time to upload your files. You should now see the readmd file in your repository. To upload your own files, look for the Add File drop-down menu on the right side of the page. Click on it and select Upload Files. Open the folder on your computer that contains your project files, and you can simply drag and drop all the relevant files and folders directly into the browser window. It's that simple. After you've uploaded the files, you'll need to scroll down to a section called Commit Changes. Make sure to select Commit directly to the main branch and click on the Commit Changes button. Now, the next step is to edit that README file. This file is usually the first thing people see when they visit your project's repository, so it's important to make it informative. Click on the readme.md file to view it, and then in the upper right corner, find and click the pencil icon to open the file editor. The README file often has some pre-filled information, but you can customize it to make it your own. I suggest deleting any text aside from the first hash mark. You could type something like hack about my first project on GitHub, followed by a brief description of what your project is all about or its main features. If you're feeling a bit unsure about what to include, it's a good idea to check out other repositories on GitHub for inspiration. You can also use Markdown syntax to format text, add images, or include links if you want to get a bit more sophisticated. Once you've made your edits, you'll see a tab for Preview above your changes. Take a look at what it will look like once saved. When everything looks good, toggle back to the Edit view, make any final adjustments, and when you're satisfied, head to the top right again and click Commit Changes. The commit message should automatically say Update readme.md. Just leave that as is and hit the Commit Changes button again. And there you have it. You've now successfully uploaded your Android project to GitHub. Congratulations! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget